死了，越烧越过来了，这里越烧越过来了，还有一辆电动车停在那。
别出来，别出来，搞别出来，
Guangzhou, China, December 1st, 2025. A horrific vehicle collision triggered a fire that burned multiple electric vehicles along a street in Guangzhou, terrifying residents. Meanwhile, a chemical plant explosion in Sydney, Australia, created a massive blaze, destroying infrastructure and endangering nearby communities.
Baby, I'm so scared. Back up, back up.
At noon on December 1st, a sudden fire broke out on North Industrial Road in Haizhu District, Guangzhou. The flames were intense, forming a long line of fire along the street. An internal source revealed that a multi-vehicle collision caused a fuel leak that ignited, then spread to parked electric bikes, burning many of them. Online rumors also claimed a car explosion triggered the blaze.
而家你嗰個位置影相最好。隔離嗰啲商鋪真係煙好。好彩消防員。呢台車。哦，呢台車爆咗
Reports on
啊
social media stated that a truck caught fire near a subway entrance on a major street in Haizhu District. The flames spread to a nearby car and then to a row of electric vehicles. The fire then reached structures along the motor vehicle lane and the sidewalks, spreading dozens of meters. Video footage shows a burning truck covered in a green tarp. A woman said the truck ignited on its own, with flames starting underneath before spreading widely. The truck door was open, suggesting occupants escaped. No one at the scene attempted to extinguish the fire. A white sedan was parked next to the burning truck.
死了，越烧越过来了，这里越烧越过来了，还有一辆电动车停在那。
Other videos show electric bikes engulfed in flames, forming long streaks of fire. Dense black smoke billowed upward as pedestrians fled in panic. Additional online posts claimed a car explosion at Sheiyuan subway station in Guangzhou may have triggered the blaze. According to Xiaoqiang Morning Post, a fire occurred on Gongye Road in Haizhu at noon on December 1st. Nearby shop owners said the blaze began after a car collision caused fuel to leak. The leaking fuel flowed into parked electric bikes, igniting them. The electric bikes burst into flames at about 1:40 p.m. Fire engines and ambulances arrived shortly afterward. Chinese media noted that electric vehicle fires are far harder to control than gasoline car fires. Data shows that in 2024, more than 20,000 electric bike fires occurred nationwide, nearly 70% during charging or parking. In Enshi, Hubei, a battery explosion burned 42 bikes to their metal frames. A similar chain reaction fire in Putian, Fujian destroyed 18 vehicles.
死了，越烧越过来了，这里越烧越过来了，还有一辆电动车停在那。
Meanwhile, in Australia, the country witnessed one of its most devastating chemical plant explosions in years. On the night of November 29th, a massive fire erupted at a waste processing facility in North St. Mary's, Western Sydney. Flames and smoke soared into the sky as concrete blocks in a chemical container were launched upward, endangering nearby residents and turning the site into a giant firestorm. At about 10:50 p.m. on November 29th, emergency services received reports of a fire at a waste processing business on Kurrajong Street. Minutes later, flames intensified and engulfed the facility. As the fire spread, a powerful explosion erupted, creating a huge fireball that shot into the sky. Footage released by firefighters showed flames rising nearly 150 meters, lighting up the night sky over western Sydney.
Back up, back up!
During the explosion, a large chemical tank was hurled into the air. Concrete blocks and debris were blasted outward like projectiles, raining down across nearby areas. Fire crews at the scene were forced into defensive operations due to escalating danger. More than 200 firefighters, over 50 fire units, and several specialized vehicles were deployed. 5 aerial water towers battled the flames from above, while other units pumped water continuously from multiple directions. As toxic smoke and chemicals threatened to spread, hazardous material teams and environmental authorities were deployed. Police established a 200-meter exclusion zone and urged nearby residents to seal windows, doors, and vents. 2 firefighters suffered minor skin irritation after chemicals seeped through their gloves. They were treated on site and did not require hospitalization. Deputy Commissioner Jeremy Futrell described the explosion as a once-in-a-career experience. Even firefighters with nearly 40 years of service said they had never seen such violent waves of flames, smoke, and debris. The fire continued to smolder into Sunday morning, with thick black plumes still rising and signaling ongoing chemical and environmental risks. Soon after the fire, police, fire investigators, and environmental agencies began probing the cause. Residents nearby were shaken by the explosion. Some said the blast felt like it happened only a few hundred meters away. Others feared toxic smoke could affect their health and rushed to close windows and stay away from the fumes.
Oh my god! Baby, I'm so scared!
Back up, back up!